Department has already issued a red alert for Mumbai till 8:30 a.m. this morning. And in view of the heavy rains, all schools and colleges have been ordered to remain closed today. The BMC has set up a control room to monitor the situation in different parts of the financial capital. Both the BMC and the Mumbai police have issued appeals to people asking them to stay indoors as much as possible and only step out if it's necessary. The movement of flights and local trains also saw disruption due to the heavy downpour. As many as 14 flights which were to land in Mumbai were diverted to the other cities as Ahmedabad, Hyderabad and Udaipur. Now, there were long delays reported in local train operations as well, with the tracks being completely flooded at several locations. As the rain stopped at many places and water receded from the tracks, the train services resumed on the Central Railway local main line. Rains but also led to the traffic snarls being witnessed on arterial roads.
मुंबई में बुधवार शाम से ही लगातार बरसात हो गई है और पिछले कुछ घंटों से ये बरसात बेहद झमाझम और बहुत ही भयंकर हो गई है। इस वक्त मैं मुंबई के अंधेरी वेस्ट में खड़ा हूं और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहां पर जल जमाव की क्या स्थिति है। अंधेरी सबवे जो है पूरी तरीके से पानी से लबालब भर चुका है और इस सबवे को ट्रैफिक के लिए बंद कर दिया गया है। अगर आप तस्वीरों में देखें तो यहाँ पर आपको तकरीबन 5 से 6 फीट पानी जो है वो जमा दिखाई देगा। कोई भी गाड़ी जो है इसमें जलमग्न हो सकती है और जो इंसान है वो तो इसे पार ही नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए इसे एहतियातन बंद रखा गया है। और ये जो हालात है जल जमाव का वो सिर्फ अंधेरी सबवे नहीं बल्कि मुंबई के कई इलाकों में ऐसी स्थिति सामने देखने को मिल गई है। मैं जहाँ सड़क पे खड़ा हूँ यहाँ देखिए घुटने तक पानी है। ये कोई नदी, कोई तालाब, कोई नहर नहीं बल्कि ये मुंबई की एसवी रोड की एक अहम सड़क है। आप देखिए यहाँ पर कैसे लोग जो है अपने घरों के लिए जो रवाना हो गए वो भीगते हुए जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो बीएसटी की बस हो चाहे ऑटो रिक्शा हो। हर गाड़ियां देखिए यहाँ पर अब धीमी रफ्तार से जा रही हैं और उन्हें काफी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है।
I am present at Western Express Highway and the condition is getting worse because the traffic at this given point of time as we speak is around 9 p.m. and you can clearly see towards my right, towards my left, this is the Western Express Highway, and earlier we reported from Santa Cruz and now we are here at Jogeshwari and you can clearly see this is the condition right now when the IMD has upgraded the alert to be the red alert till tomorrow morning 8:30 a.m. and for the next 3 to 4 hours heavy to very heavy rainfall is being predicted by the IMD, and along with thunderstorm is what we can understand, and also necessary precautions should be taken by whoever is traveling is being advised by the IMD. More importantly, BMC has swung into action. The BMC commissioner has informed that all the ward officers and all the assistant municipal commissioner of the ward should be on high alert and monitor this situation continuously from the control room and should be present for any situation that arises out of this red alert.
Now, ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has visited